Hello everyone, my name is Maricel. I'm a personal chef and here to inspire and support you with your diet. Today I'm gonna make typical German sauerkraut. Well, as a German, I had a lot of sauerkraut in my life, and I have to say the best were always the ones that were homemade. So let me show you how to easily do that. Sauerkraut is fermented cabbage, therefore contains a lot of probiotics that can help you with your digestion and also strengthen your immune system. And of course it is delicious and very easy to store, which is why it is so worth it to make your own sauerkraut. To get started, work as hygiene as possible, sterilize your glass jar and make sure that you have clean hands to work with. For the first 3 days, you will see bubbles are coming up and arising, therefore you might have some excess water coming out. So place the jar on top of a bowl or a plate to avoid a mess in your kitchen, and don't close the lid too tight to allow it to release. I like to check back on it once a while. Right now I am in Bangkok and it tends to be quite hot here, so if I feel it gets too sour too quickly, I just place it in the fridge once I have the texture and the flavor that I like. And don't forget to send it love and good thoughts while you're doing it, so it will be more delicious and nourishing for your body. I hope you are in the mood to make your own sauerkraut now. If this was helpful, don't forget to show some love, like and subscribe for upcoming videos and recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you on my next video.